You see, governments do not blame themselves for bad management. Politicians do not blame themselves for bad management. They want to kill the population as opposed to manage the population properly. See the point? Listen, you go to countries, and I don't need to call it countries. You check the politicians and the government's pockets. Really see if the salary they work for is what they got in their pockets. Have you checked out some of our Muslim countries? Should I call names? Go check these prime ministers and presidents. How much millions and billions they got in Dubai and London and in other countries. Muslim presidents, Muslim prime ministers, Muslim government officials. Yeah. They're supposed to take these billions and invest it on the land. Islam does not believe in hoarding. Governments are not supposed to hoard, and then politicians steal from the government and they hoard even more and put it outside. Go check them out. Go check the billions that they have, trillions. Then they concentrate the people into cities and do not expand the growth into the rural areas and the countrysides. So then the cities become overpopulated, not enough, too much traffic, and we say it's too much people. It's not too much people. Have you driven through America? Have you seen how much land it has if you drive from here to New York? Have you driven, I just came from Africa, land. Have you driven through India and Pakistan and Bangladesh and see how much empty land they got, vacant land? Have you driven through islands and countries and see how much vacant land there is? That's a government strategy. To bring the people to one place, don't develop the other parts because it's going to take money. But that's where you need, because Islam says, don't hoard. You want to keep it right here so the resources remain limited and just enough for this, because if you expand roads and highways and byways and open villages and cities and towns, the government will have to spend more. So they want to make more and put more in their pockets. So they stop the production of what? Produce rice and oil and vegetables. So they're more into the export-import business because that has more money for the politicians. You got to understand the maths. And that is all contrary to Quran and Sunnah. You see, our Quran and Sunnah teaches us everything about life. That's why Islam is supposed to rule the world.